Imagine facing a brutal Ice Age winter completely naked, without a heater, insulated blankets, or even a basic roof over your head.
Yet, our prehistoric ancestors didn't just survive the freezing apocalypse, they actually managed to thrive using some incredibly wild, unexpected strategies. Loose animal skins kept them cold, so they invented the ultimate fashion game changer: a tiny needle crafted carefully from sharp bird bone. By stitching multiple layers of heavy fur together, they trapped their own body heat, effectively creating the world's very first high-tech winter jackets. Fire wasn't just used for cooking dinner, it was their absolute lifeline, requiring constant, round-the-clock guarding so it never went out.
They even heated up large river rocks in the campfire, burying them under dirt to create a wonderfully warm, prehistoric heated bed.
Ah, so warm.
When caves weren't available on the empty plains, they built sturdy, windproof houses out of the bones of giant woolly mammoths.
Hunting fresh meat during a raging blizzard was nearly impossible, meaning they had to plan their meals months in advance.
They dried out lean meat by the fire and used nature's giant freezer, the thick snow, to preserve fat supplies for months.
If you tried to conquer the brutal Ice Age winter entirely alone, you were virtually guaranteed to become a frozen snack.
Communities pooled their unique skills together, sharing valuable food, taking shifts guarding fires, and keeping each other warm through collective effort.
They also used storytelling, music, and symbolic cave art to keep their spirits high during the dark, depressing winter months.
Because they mastered the freeze, humanity survived to build the warm world we enjoy today, so hit subscribe for more epic survival stories.